Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove items from your browsing or browse history and how to turn it off on the Amazon.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this Accounts and List button at the top and tap on Browsing History in the Your Account section. So here you can see your browsing history and the items. So tap on this Manage History button on the right side. Here you can remove all items from you. If you tap on it, you can tap on this yellow button, remove all items from you. You can also turn it off by tapping on this button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.